been a while since I've talked to this dumb camera, but I think I got pretty okay with my shifting. All right, another wide open throttle. Still scary. We need to make this car louder. I gotta get an exhaust. Just woke up. Today we're finally gonna put an exhaust in the Camaro. It is just too quiet for my liking. I mean, it's a V6, so shouldn't expect too much, but I like sound, and yeah, do a little before and after. All right. So yeah, I know this guy, Alan Hanford. Saldana's Ace Muffler. I heard it's a good spot. Some of my friends got their muffler deletes from there, so yeah. Let's go make this car loud.
Listen carefully.
Alright. You don't want to say anything?
Huh?
You don't want to say anything to the camera?
Yeah, we will take care of all your needs for exhaust. So that was exhaust and muffler.
Alright, thank you, bro. Thank you. Wow, this sounds way more better. That sounds way more better, dude. Oh my goodness. That was my complaint with this car, that it was just way too quiet for my liking. The downshifting, oh my god, I love it. It pops. I love it. I don't even want to shit. Alright, well, I'm gonna go head out, grab something to eat, do a little bit of test pulls on the way. It pops. That's what I wanted. What? Oh my god. I got so excited I forgot I'm driving stick. I'm starving. What do I want to eat? I want to eat, maybe I'm down for some Carl's. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Carl's Jr. Yes. Oh my goodness. What the Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that new bug. But yeah, man, shout out to barely talk. Shout out to Saldana's Ace Muffler. If you guys want to hit him up, super polite guy. I was done within maybe less than an hour, so I wish. But look at, when I'm in a higher gear, you can't even hear it. It's not drony, it's just what I wanted. And I didn't really want to spend money on an exhaust. A simple muffler delete. Oh, that Chinese restaurant sounds good. Yeah, Hanford just gave the green light for indoor dining. So I'm gonna try to use the restrooms because I need to take a... You like it?
Changed. Oh my god.
You don't like it?
No?
Make sure to check out that muffler shop, Saldana's muffler shop. But yeah, guys, more mods to come. I want to get some lights and tail lights because one of the tail lights is going out already, so might as well just replace it. But yeah, laters.